Hello dear parents, here in this video we are going to see how to use the School Beep app in the mobile and on laptop. So this year we are going to shift from Tenno to School Beep app. Just try to check with the help of this video, try to understand in this video how to use the school app in the mobile and on laptop. After this, the form is given to you, submit this form on time. So let's start with the mobile. So dear parents, we will start with the process. Now here you can see the message. So you will get like this message: dear parents, An Ekant English Medium School adopts School Beep for all school parents communication. Your credential are login ID and password. An app download link will be given here, provided here. This is a one parent's link, login ID and password, but all of you will get individually. The number which you are going to submit in the link which we are going to provide in that Google form, on that number, mother's mobile number and father's mobile number, on this both the mobile numbers you will get like this type of login ID and password. So remember that your mobile number will be the login ID and password will be the different one. So once you get this login ID password message from the School Beep, then just try to click on the app download link. Once you click on the app download link, in this way it will take to you Play Store. Once you go to the Play Store, just install this app. So just wait a few minutes to install this app in your mobile. Yes, the app is installing now. Okay, the app is installed now. You can open it from here also, or there is a shortcut menu appear on your mobile wallpaper, you can check it. So here is the first page, you will get it. So there will be a login or a register. So for you, we are going to do the registration process. So the number and the password you will get it on your mobile in the form of text. So just click on the login. Once you click on the login, you have to enter your mobile number which is registered with us. So this is the just one mobile number which I am just entering. Once I enter the password and login ID, just I will click on sign in. Once you click in the sign in, the app will open it. So in this form, the first page will be this. Then you just click on the first, on the school logo or wherever on the school name. Once you click here, it will ask, while using this app, all permissions, etc. So yes, while using this app, give access to this app. So this is the first window. Once you install the app and once you log in that, then you will get this. So the first one is that we are going to see the messages. So here will be, once you click on the message, you will come to know that messages sent by teachers. So here is the one PDF, here is one notice which we have sent it. Registration process will be done by us. This group also we are going to alert you, whichever you have in Google form which you have done it, which you have selected the option classes. On that basis we are going to give you allot the class and divisions. So here are the group messages. You will find here group messages, PDF, images, videos, etc., holidays, reminders, all the messages. After this, the process I am going to tell you to add the another child. So how to do that? Just click on these 4 lines at the top. In that there is option My Children Available. Click on the My Children Available app and you get list plus sign. My Children plus sign is there at the top. You can check it. Click on that plus sign and then you will get a new window. just select that, write the name of the child. You can then after that just mail, date of birth, residential, primary number, and click on this save button. You can add a photo also of that child. Just click on a save. Once you have saved it, so you will just see here in the my child option, your 2 children, 3 children, how many are there, you can find that all the children in this my children list available in the School Beep app. After this, see, the child will be mapped in our school system, and then only that you will be able to check the child's class, division, etc. on the group messages. So just take it back now. So afterwards you can check the messages of the 10th standard, 9th standard, etc. whichever class you have added that your words. Now after this, there is a one more option available. If you are having 2 children, 3 children, and if you have got the mobile number registered through the school, then just go to these 4 lines at the top and just take it as log out. See, are you sure you want to log out? Yes, I have log out of this School Beep app. So you can enter the another number which is registered through our school and password and sign in. So no need to have 2 mobiles separate to use this app. If just there are 2 numbers registered through the school, just enter that number and password and sign in. In this video, now we have seen how to use the School Beep app in the mobile. Now we will see how to use the same app, same application on the laptop, PC or a personal computer, desktop. After the process which we have seen on the mobile, now we will see the same process on the laptop. See, this is the desktop. Just click on the Google Chrome. Once the Google Chrome is started, just in the address bar you write School Beep. You just write School Beep. Once you open the School Beep, you will find like this, https://www.schoolbeep.com. You just click on the School Beep and just wait a few minutes, let the browsers. Then you will find like this window. Click on the login window. Once you click on the login window, just type the mobile number, your mobile registered mobile number, whichever is there, and the password whichever is given to you. Click on the login. Once you click on the login, you will find the same thing in this one. So if you want to open in the mobile, you can check the messages in the mobile also, or you can check in this browser also. So here are the group messages, here are the private messages, same thing. There is a gallery, transport, calendar, timetable. So here you will find the timetable. So suppose today is Thursday, here 1. So you just click on here, it will be written whichever the subject or period is there, English period. So just click on this box and you will directly go to the class, which or just directly go to the join to that class. So there will be a timetable. From our side only we are going to install this. So at the top, group messages, you can open here also and download also. So this is the image which we have sent it. You can right click and download it. Save image. If the PDF is there, click on the PDF. At the top here options will be given. Zoom in, right, just a turn image anyhow. At the end, just here is a print option. If you want to take a print, you can take it. If you want to download it, you can click on a download. So any PDF, videos, MP3s, you want to download it, you can download it on the laptop also. You can check the messages also. You can download PDF, image, everything. The same thing at the end, you just click on it and click on a logout. So in this way we are having a SchoolBeep app. Details are given in the link. Open the link as soon as and just try to fill the information properly and submit it on the time. Thank you.